Here's to 2020, the year of expansion, and to an unbelievable year. Well, 2019, it's coming to an end. And I can honestly say that I've learned a lot about myself, about other people, about just the world in general. I feel like 2019 was a year of internal growth and grind. And most importantly, just testing, not just mentally, not just emotionally, also physically, but more about courage, more about the ability to actually say yes, the ability to say no, and also understand the difference between those two. And of course, the whole worth thing. It's just a huge combination of everything, like 9 different ways of saying it. 2019. How you start the year is not how you will end the year. Always set yourself up for the win. So if you want to make, let's say, 1 million, you have to plan out for 5. Like, forget about the 1, go for 5, and then that's how you will be able to reach that goal. And that's something that I'm grateful that Vanessa and I, we really just stick to. We don't believe in the first number that we say out loud. We actually go above and beyond to actually reach the goal that we need. That's 1. And then 2 is you're gonna meet a lot of people. You're gonna meet a lot of people that make you feel great, that will make you feel like, hey, everything is good. And then you're also gonna meet the same exact people that one day they're like, yes, everything's amazing. And then the next day it's like, actually, your time is up. So don't believe people, believe in them. That's something that I learned from my sweetheart, Vanessa. But at the end of the day, don't believe words, believe in actions. And then the last thing would be positive, re-encouraging thoughts within yourself and the ability to write down your goals, affirmations, and re-energize yourself. Because at the end of the day, nobody else is going to do it for you. Yeah, you can get a win here, you can get a win there, but out of the 2 wins, you'll probably get like 10 downs. So those 10 downs need to be reinforced with incredible discipline and courage and reinforcements that you have to establish for yourself. If you like to write things down, write it down. If you like to listen to things, listen to that thing at that moment. That song, that motivational speaker, that person that makes you feel alive when you're feeling dead. And also, have fun. You know, go out there, watch a movie, go out there, be silly once in a while. It's definitely needed. Watch kids play. That was one of the advice that I received the other day. Sometimes as adults, we forget how to play. And that really just brings you down. Because at the end of the day, this life that we live in, it's a playground. It's a very, very important piece of your life. So don't mess it up. Here's to 2020, the year of expansion, and to an unbelievable year of growth, expansion, and incredible opportunities. Make it happen.